If you are facing a certain problem like this, login problem or any problem in your Celia app, what you need to do is to watch this video to the end, because this video covers every problem or everything about Celia migration in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So let's get in. So on the 10th, which is yesterday, and the Celia team dropped an update that the Celia migration is now live, and you can see it also in my screen today, which today is 11th. So yesterday and this dropped an update that the migration is now live. From the yesterday to now, most of us cannot migrate their Celia token to their mainnet because a huge of people or a huge of the community are trying to migrate their tokens to their mainnet. So there is a certain issue in the app. They are currently fixing that problem. So if you go to your Celia app like this and you come to this section here, you want to tap on it, so you can see nothing to migrate. So if you are facing a certain problem like this, what you need to do is that you need to listen this. We have temporarily paused the March 2026 migration while we run rigorous tests to ensure issue won't reoccur, right, and improve the migration contract to help subsidize fees. We will be back up shortly, right? So if you're having a problem like login problem or a problem like this, nothing to migrate, which means they are fixing a certain problem in the app. So if you are facing a certain problem like this, please don't panic. What you need to do is to always mining. So if you go to the X account, they make a clear post about this issue. So let's go to the X. So here you can see we are aware that some users are experiencing difficulties with migration even when they have sufficient gas fee. The team is currently working to resolve the issue. We will also share a step-by-step video guide to show you how to migrate your Celia token to mainnet, right? So this is the problem they are facing, right? So don't panic before they will come back or the migration come back again. What you need to do is to, if you come to your Celia app like this, make sure you have completed if you come to the setting section here, make sure you have completed your mainnet verification, right? If you tap on it, you can see KYC verified successful, right? And your email also have been verified, right? And you need an amount of gas fee, right? You need an amount of gas fee to do. You come to the wallet section here, so you receive only 25% of the token you mined, right? The gas fee is required, so you need a fee of BNB, $1 of BNB to migrate, right? You come here to copy which is your receiving address, then you go into any browser or any exchange you have BNB there, then you copy it and you come. So after the migration, receive your Celia here, right? You can see currently Celia is now trading, right? You can see it, Celia is currently trading at this point. So if you drag here to here, you can see, right, you can see this is the current price of Celia. So if you have 1 million Celia, or so you can see this is the information of the Celia they deploy on BNB and other those. So Celia is a declaration utility token on BNB chain, powering a Web3 ecosystem for every user. Launched in May 2023 by 22. So guys, this is your first time come across to my channel, consider to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel, make sure you check the link in the description or section of this video for instant update after you join it. So see you guys in my next video.